YouTube? I'm going to do a how-to video on installing LED headlights on a Chevy C10. I have a 1986 Chevy C10 Silverado single cab with dual headlights, one on top of the other. I've already installed the two top lights and one high beam, and I'm going to show you how to install the other one. So let's take a look. So we're going to install these 5-inch square LED headlights. Shout out to the HID factory in Houston. They hooked me up with these. Good price, good guys out there, very helpful. Take them out of the box, they're brand new. You can see they've got 3 prongs. When I did the regular beam lights, the plug has 3 prongs, so you can just plug it in. Now what you'll see is when we do the high beam, they've only got 2 prongs, and we're going to have to cut or shave the top of the plug for this to be able to fit into that plug. It's pretty easy. All it is 4 screws, 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom. Just use a regular Phillips screwdriver. You can see these chrome or steel bezels just pop right off. Mine is original factory, so they're pretty dull. When I got it painted, there's some green overspray on it, but I have a Phantom Funk grill, which I'll show in another video how to install. So it's really not imperative that I clean this up or paint it, but of course you could. To get an original look or a custom look to it. Headlight just pops off. As I mentioned, this plug just pulls right out. Again, 2 prongs, only 2 prongs to put it in. Now if you get lucky, it's wired correctly with this light. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off this plug to make sure that these coincide with the plug on the headlight, because they might be switched from factory of the headlight. So what you want to do to pull these out is take a regular flathead screwdriver, stick it in right here, and it'll pull right out. So I'm going to grab the light. hook it up, check it out. As you can see, it didn't come on. So now, let's pull them off and swap them. There you go. So I stated before, sometimes they're reversed from wherever these were manufactured at. You just got to take off that plug, play with it, configure out the configuration. So now, I'm going to take these off and then insert them back in the plug. But this top third prong doesn't fit in that plug. So what you're going to do is you're going to have to cut about halfway this top piece off so this can fit there, and I'll show you how to do that. It's got some shears, probably a little bigger than you need. Just start cutting away. It's okay if you break this, mess it up, buy it at any local auto parts store for nothing. Keeping in position which side the wires go. Check the fitment of the plug. Might need to shave a little bit off. I'm going to go ahead and install it anyway. And these just slide right back on into the plug. Lock back in place. If they don't lock back, there's a little tab right here. You might have to bend back a little bit, take a flathead screwdriver, pull it out. There you go. check it one more time. So there you go. Put it back. Just do the reverse, what we did to take it off, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching, and keep looking out for my other videos.